Today I'll show you how to make a Rubik's Cube. So let's start. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon so you can get updates of my videos. So let's start. Guys, I will send a video on my YouTube channel which steps should be performed to solve the Rubik's Cube. So you make sure you should hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can get updates. So now let's continue with this video. I'll not tell the steps, but I'll just show you how I made it. So let's start. Solve the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching my video and like my video. You may have to repeat some steps twice or thrice to solve the Rubik's Cube or make that step happen. So you should keep that in mind. Thanks for watching my video.